Alright, what is up everybody? So today we're going to be showing you this 3D print. I haven't gotten the details down exactly how I want to. In the layer lines, you see this over extrusion a bit right here. But other than that, I mean, it came out pretty decent. Can't complain. And the design was pretty decent as well. And it was made by Iconio. If you're curious, it's on Thingiverse. This actually took 16 hours, 9 minutes with 3 seconds to print. This STO file was pretty good. And this is how it looks inside of the PC build. This PC build is not done yet. It's a work in progress. Enjoy the rest of your day.